Hey guys, Rob here. We're going to do a little test on a couple injectors. Pulling some injectors out of a VP44 and the truck wasn't running right, so he's putting in a set of 5x10s. No, sorry, putting in a set of 8x10s. Yeah, 8x10s. Set of 8x10s, and took out 6x18s. Anyways, we'll get on with testing, and you'll see what is crap and what's not. Okay. It's not leaking. Maybe a little bit. Horrible injectors though.
What do you mean?
Well, just look at the spray pattern.
Oh yeah.
Like, just horrible.
Where do they pop that?
Yeah, I would say that it's probably fucking, like, it's probably doing that. That's probably why it's clean. Garbage! This is what happens when you buy Chinese garbage. From a well-known manufacturer. I'm not going to say any names, but mainstream tell you that they're good products, and they are not.
Truck ran, so at least you know one or, well, three are probably good.
A couple of them, like, well, that one would fire. It just doesn't fire properly, right? If it's slobber and not work right.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, not great by any stretch of the imagination. Pop tester falling out here. Anybody know a good fabricator that can pick me up a fucking plate?
I don't know. Should look in the mirror.
Fuck. I don't have mirrors. Just for that reason. Alright guys, so this is what a new injector. This injector isn't as big as these ones that we were just playing with. These are, what were these?
6x18.
6x18s. So these ones are 7x10s. So they're not near as big, but look at the pattern compared to the ones when we were firing these ones off. Look at the spray pattern coming off these. These we just put together. I still have to reset the pop pressure on these, just because the pop pressure isn't set the way that where I want it to be right now. But just watch the spray pattern coming out of these. So you can see there where the nozzle's not leaking for one, and these will continue to be like that. They're Bosch nozzles, not Chinese junk. They're not modified. This is a Bosch application nozzle. So you can see it coming out, and then these are way nicer. So, just thought I'd show you guys that little video of pop testing these ones, just to show you the difference between a crappy garden hose and an injector that fires properly. Anyways, catch you on the next one.